So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to open a non-registered investing account in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to the bottom left, press the home page, then just scroll down a little bit here to where it says open or move account, select it, and then select open a new account. Once you're on this page at the top where it says all invest and spend, select invest, and then at the top here select trade. Then I want you to scroll down 3 options for me where it says non-registered, an investment account that offers tons of flexibility but no tax advantages. Go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page right here, you can read all about the non-registered account, and if this looks good to you, go to the bottom, press on get started to open up the account this way. So that's how you guys can open a non-registered investing account in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.